Hello and greetings from Japan. It's February the 19th, and today we have another Toyota. It's the 350G L package. So the L package is basically full leather interior and sunroofs as standard. Otherwise it's the same as the 350G, which I think is power front seats and middle seats and memory driver seat and whatever else, but not that much. Anyway, this one also comes with full aero kit and has the advantage of being optional four-wheel drive, so you can drive in two or four-wheel drive, and it has some other options which I'll explain as we go along. Anyway, it's a 2008 October with 62,000 miles or 102,000 kilometers or 101,000 kilometers, and just a really nice clean car. So let's take a look at it. It's got front kit, and this one has parking assist, so it has the double amount of sonar sensors on the corners if you want to practice using that to park yourself. HID and AFS lights. This one also has the dealer option high gloss 18-inch alloys. The standard L package actually, I think, comes with 16-inch with optional 17 or 18. Obviously you really need 18 when you got full aero kit, which this one has. Okay. Anyway, the body is just very clean. As usual, there's the Dropbox link with many photographs, including comprehensive photos of the underneath, so you can see the condition. Alright, this one also comes with 2 smart keys, and this also has the dealer option remote engine starting, which I haven't got in my present car, so I used to have it on a Land Cruiser, and it's kind of nice. In the morning you can just point it from your house and the car starts up, so by the time you get in the winter it's nice and warm. Or the other way around, air conditioning. Okay, it's got power rear door or power rear gate. Okay, it's also got the optional rear cover, which is useful. Keeps the rear carpet clean. As mentioned, it's got full beige leather. It's got premium sound, so it has, I think, 6 speakers in the ceiling and rear entertainment. Okay. Close the door. You can either close it on the key or you can push this little button with, as you can see, it's got multiple sensors on the back. I think it's got 6 sensors on the rear. So, and standard muffler. Unmarked body. It's a proper Toyota grade 4. Came from a Toyota auction, I say Toyota dealer, and it's just a proper grade 4. It has it has auto retracting mirrors, so when you lock it, the mirrors retract automatically and open when it's unlocked. There's a front arrow. Nice shiny grille. This is the Alphard version. There are two versions of this car, the Vellfire and the Alphard. Personally, I prefer the Alphard myself. I like the way the nose kind of protrudes out rather than the flat front on the Vellfire. Okay, unlock the car. Dual power slide doors. And as usual, we have fitted the handles so you can move the seat sideways, which allows the middle seats to slide much further back. For some reason on this car, the factory don't put them on. Okay. Nice clean carpets. So, rear entertainment. Monitor's closed at the moment. And I'll just move this seat forward. And same condition on the third seats, just very clean. It's a really nice clean car, and of course it has the leg rests, which is rather nice, and it's all powered. Also has the little optional carpets on the steps, kind of nice. Close the doors. Okay. Nice clean door card with the memory settings for the driver's seat. On this car, actually, the leather the leather covers for the front and driver and passenger seat, we replaced them because the previous owner had done a rather bizarre thing, and they had kind of they'd stuck Christian Dior material on the sides on the seat. I presume they thought it was rather classy, but it didn't look that good, and we couldn't get it off without damaging the seat. So both the passenger seat and the driver's seat have brand new from Toyota leather seat covers. So they are as they came out of the factory, which is nice because the driver's seat does tend to get a bit worn. Okay, so start the ignition, and there you can see the mileage, 101,000 kilometers, 62,000 miles, and all the warning lights are off. Okay, so what have we got inside? We've got reverse camera. This one has the dealer option side and front cameras, rear and front and side cameras, which is the dealer option. It's also got here, it's got a dealer option drive recorder. It's put in by the by the dealer, and it has the record function right here on an SD card. And you've got your manuals, convenient little box in here. Positively a non-smoker car, no evidence of smoking at all. The nice clean headlining. It's also got, as I already demonstrated, the optional remote power rear gate and sliding doors and sunroof, which actually are standard on this car. And here we have audio controls and Bluetooth controls and cruise control. And down here you have, if we can see it, the bottom right is the four-wheel drive to use four-wheel drive, and the front seats are heated on the passenger seat and the driver's seat. The top left is parking assist, and the other one, as it says, power door off switch. And on this side you've got the switch for controlling the auto retracting mirrors. The switch here turns off the sonar sensors if you don't want them on, and up here you've got the camera switches here. The other switches are kind of self-explanatory. And little vanity cupboard. Oh yeah, we can demonstrate this. Oh, we did, yeah, we did. Okay, what else is there? And the sunroofs, they all work. I'm going to demonstrate the sunroof. And of course, both sunroofs have shades. Close them if you want. Okay, I think that's it. Take a look at the engine. Nice. It's the 3.5 litre V6 engine. Take a look at the auction sheet. Here again. It's very clean. And as mentioned, brand new leather. Which is why the grading, the car was grade 4, the interior got a D because, as I say, it came from a Toyota auction, and they are very specific about grading, and so as the seats were non-standard, they get a grade D. Anyway, that's been taken care of. So, proper grade 4 car, SA20, so 2008 October, 101,000 kilometers, 62,000 miles, and as you can see, just very clean body. Okay, all right, and importantly, it's a four-wheel drive. There aren't so many four-wheel drive versions, predominantly two-wheel drive. So that's, if you're living in an area where four-wheel drive would be advantageous, this could be the car for you. Personally, I always keep a four-wheel drive here in Japan because we do get significant snow in the summer, not so much in the Kanto area, but the Tokyo area. But if you are traveling outside the Tokyo area in the winter months, there's always a danger of kamikaze, my neighbor. And so in Japan, yeah, it's a advantage to have a four-wheel drive if you are going outside the Tokyo area in the winter, which we do quite often. So there we have it, a 2008 October Toyota 350G package, four-wheel drive. And sorry, I didn't demonstrate the four-wheel drive light on the dash, but everything works perfectly. 62,000 miles with full kit and the 18-inch wheels. So it's got the looks, it's got the very nice luxury interior, and it's got the optional four-wheel drive. So it's the top of the range for this model. Anyway, if this car is of interest, please do talk to Paul at JAA, Japan Auto Agents, and he can help you arrange the purchase of the car. Fortunately, shipping has not been a problem for us. We've been able to ship things pretty much right away, despite the disruption caused by the pandemic. And so hopefully there will be no delay in getting it to you once you've arranged with Paul. So thanks for watching, and we'll speak again soon with something else. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.